3 a.m. and I could finally say, I'm sorry for acting this way. I never really meant to make you cry. It's a song, but it is 3 a.m. She likes to get up in the morning and look at all the lights. Come here, bring your head back over here. Say, we're making a bottle right now. We're just wide awake. This is what you guys have to look forward to as a new father, a new mother. She woke up at like midnight. She wanted a bottle. Then she woke up at like 1:45. Now it's 2:30 she got up. She wanted more milk. This time I got up. Mama got up the first 2 times. I got up this time. She seems to be pretty content right now. So. Oh yeah. You're so mad. You're so mad. And now it's 5:01, and she's just falling back asleep. She's still a little bit fussy. She's fighting it. Okay, all right. Move out your belly. Oh, yes. Oh, you pooping right now? You're pooping right now. Okay, let's let her finish her business, change the diaper. I don't think I'm going to sleep at all before I go to work. I've been up since 2 a.m. She was giving Mama a hell of a time. She was up with Mom for, I don't know, an hour and a half, and she wouldn't cooperate. She wasn't tired. She wouldn't do anything. You don't want to go to sleep. Ay, why don't you go to sleep? She does not want to go to sleep. I figured while I'm up, I may as well go ahead and do some laundry. Help the wife out some. She's not gonna let me go to bed. Are you? Are you? You see yourself? You see yourself? That little double chin. Drinking all that milk. Yeah, baby. It's work, guys. It's not easy. But she's so adorable. So adorable. So beautiful. So beautiful.